There you go. So we got Hall sensor error, another error on the HIMIWAY engine or motor. So what did it blow up this time? I disconnected the motor because it's going like backwards really hard. Like, I don't know if the video does justice, but it feels like, you know, like it has steps in it. So I'm gonna connect the other motor that I have and see if this motor blew up or what. So here we go. This is the other motor hooked up. And throttle. This one works. It's just scraping over here on this side. So the HIMIWAY motor blew up. Even though I had like a cooling system for it and all that stuff, it went kaboom. Like a cooling system on top of it to keep it cool. I checked the temperature and all that stuff. So the fact that it died again is quite concerning because this is the third one I'm replacing. How do I know there's something wrong with it? When you try to spin the axle or you try to turn the wheel backwards, you see how it's has like a super drag on it. So it's almost like it feels like it's in a short. So to take it apart, really nice torque wrench, and a nice screwdriver. And so with the bolts out, this should come out. So if you push it through, you see, it just comes out and here's the motor. What happened to it? Gotta take it apart and see. This comes out and the new one goes in. Silicone grease for the gears. I use silicone grease. I'm sure there's like 1,000 things that you can put over here. Anyways, time to shove it in. I have a special hole in the table that fits perfectly for the wheel. So now it's just a matter of getting the gears right. There it is. So with the gears right, align the bolts, put it back together, you're good to go. If you could afford to have like 7 motors. To put the wheel back on, it's not too complicated. Now on this motor, I did try to connect the Hall sensors just for the hell of it, but I am getting a Hall sensor error. So this motor, even though the motor itself is good, it has a bad Hall sensor in it, or all of them. So I'm not gonna connect them anymore. That's the beauty of this controller. It can run the motor without the Hall sensors. And just go from there, I guess. Hopefully I could fix this one. And if I could fix this one, it would be great. But right now, I can feel that it's in short. So yeah, it's moving really hard. That means that it's in short. It is what it is.